Oh. Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jess. I post anything and everything about my life. Welcome to part 6 of me unboxing a bunch of packages I recently received. Let's unbox this package today. This is from... it doesn't say. It just says my name on it. Okay, so it's a surprise. Alright, let's do it. Oh, interesting. Okay. Oh yes! Oh my gosh! That's so cool. Okay, first off, I was a little confused because of the string, but that's so cool. Alright, so lovely message. Thank you for participating in my giveaway. I hope you enjoy this book as much as I did. Let me know how you like it. Sincerely, Melissa. Home & Co. Market. This is such a cute note, by the way. Look at these little houses. That's so adorable. Oh my goodness. I received Where the Crawdads Sing by Delia Owens. Oh my gosh. Wow. Whoa. The marsh. I've heard a lot of good things about this book. Oh, I love that cover. Oh my goodness. My family friend actually mentioned it to me and she asked me if I knew about it and I was like, no, I haven't heard of this book. And she was like, oh my gosh, it's like all over TikTok. And then as soon as we finished that conversation, this was the only book I saw on TikTok. I heard really good things. It's also part of Reese's book club. So that's interesting. But yeah, I'm super excited. I believe it is a mystery slash thriller type of book. When I think of mystery slash thriller, I kind of think of We Were Liars. So I wonder if this is the same vibe. Oh my gosh, wait, is there a map? No, there's not a map. I thought there was a map. I was like, oh my gosh. I love when... oh my god, there is a map! The book has a map. I love when books have maps. It's like I'm part of that world. That's so cool. Oh my god, that actually definitely reminds me of We Were Liars. Oh, I'm so nervous. We Were Liars tore me apart. I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to check out Melissa's Instagram and yeah, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in part 7.